it's Shaye. Welcome back for more great parenting tips. So, your neighbor's child scrapes ice off the windshield without being asked, and your sister has a 2-year-old who returns her bottle to the sink when she's done, but your kid is in middle school and waits for you to come home to make sandwiches? Now, how did that happen? Responsibility in children isn't a spell or a trick. It's teaching life skills, and without it, a child develops a sense of entitlement and an expectation for the world to work for them. Here are a couple of tips to instill responsibility in your child. Tip number 1, start young. You can't suddenly expect your teenager to be responsible when you haven't fostered it. When it's time for chores, put on music and dance, and invite them to help, even if they slow you down. Your teamwork will bring you quality time and leave your child with the ability to sort lights and darks. Tip number 2, show them the way at their own skill level. Start with small tasks first. If your child wants an apple, show them where they are and how to wash one. Then model it for them. Clean the breakfast table while narrating your actions. Now we're putting our plates in the sink. Use we phrases over and over to show them that you expect them to mimic the task. Tip number 3, praise them. Most children actually love to help. To them, chores are more like challenges to overcome rather than a task to complete. Give them positive feedback with praises for specific actions. You put your dirty clothes in the hamper. I'm proud of you. Children develop a sense of ownership for repeated actions, and this constant communication helps them take initiative. Tip number 4, give a sense of structure and routine. Instead of incentivizing responsibilities with rewards, set up routines with positive end results. Your kids must all brush their teeth, eat breakfast, and get dressed before watching TV. Or after Sunday morning chores, pizza gets delivered. A responsible child grows up to be a responsible adult. And with these tips, you can set the proper tone for your child's development. We have more great tips for you. Make sure that you check out our YouTube page.